Do you have a hard time opening and closing your ink pads, especially when they're new? Some of them are harder than others to open, especially when they're new, and they will loosen up. But what if you could do something right away to make them open just as easy as pie? My name is Anna Hellman, and thank you for joining me today. And I'm going to share a quick tip with you to make those ink pads open and close just like a breeze. Now, I just got my new in colors for 2021 through 2023. And if you have any interest in learning about these new in colors, I'm going to link to my in color video right now, so you can take a look at that. But I got these 5 new ink pads in for our 5 new colors, and they're a little bit stiff. It takes a little bit of effort to get them open and closed. So I pop it open, and then sliding this back and forth is a little bit difficult, especially when I go to pull it back open to shut it. That's a little bit tough. So I have a really quick tip to share with you, and you probably already have what you need in your house to make this work easier, and that is a birthday candle. So let me show you exactly what to do. You want to have your pad open just like I do right here so you can get to the base of it, and you want to take your candle and slide it right through. There's going to be a track in there, so you're going to slide it back and forth so that it touches the bottom edge and the top edge. Now, the center of it is open, so that part of the candle is not going to be touching anything, but the candle will rub on the top track and the bottom track, and it may not really feel like you're doing much, but rub that back and forth a couple of times. If you get any little shavings of wax, you may want to brush those out of the way. And then just push and pull on that a few times. And it does not take, it only takes about 1 or 2 times. And that is opening and closing so much easier now. So that is what you can do to make those pads open and close a lot easier. So I hope this tip is helpful. You can find a link to some more information about these pads if you love the colors and want to order some. You can find links in the video description below. Please subscribe to my channel while you're here. Please like, comment, and share my content. And I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you again next time.